And the achievements of the past year demonstrate that. I think to a degree that is mind-blowing. Like what you have achieved over the past year is nothing short of incredible. First of all, with Falcon, we have achieved the most launches of any rocket in a single year ever. So no other family of orbital class rockets has launched more than 63 times a year. That was Soyuz, and we did 50% more. Falcon Heavy also surpassed in terms of heavy lift vehicles, so this gives you a sense in pictures of how incredible that was. For a while there, I'd be posting something, is this like the launch that just happened or the one that is happening? Or because there were like 3 launches that happened in the space of a few days. But this is all the launches on one page. And yes, it's really incredible. All made it to orbit, all landed. Just a huge hand for the Falcon team. And 2/3 of the missions were Starlink, but 1/3 were for other customers, for NASA, for other communication satellites. It was a combination of Starlink plus a lot of other missions. So even if you just take the non-Starlink portion of the flights, that was more than any other vehicle last year by a long shot. We launched NASA's Psyche, ESA's Euclid, the X-37B spaceplane, multiple transporter missions. We did missions for OneWeb, Viasat, and we're actually on contract to launch Amazon's Kuiper constellation. And we treat everyone fairly. So and we managed to do 19 flights on a single Falcon 9 booster, which is really incredible, in 3.5 years. So, and that booster did 860 satellites and delivered 260 metric tons to orbit. So it's like, wow. So there's a lot of wows. And it's worth, how long ago was it that we landed a booster? It was actually 8 years ago in December. Roughly 8 years ago. And since that time, we've landed 260 times. So 260 landings. It's just like, wow. There were a lot of people that said that it couldn't be done. And then there were a lot of people that said, even if it could be done, it's a dumb idea. That it wouldn't pay off. That it wouldn't make sense. But we've shown that, in fact, it is absolutely the right idea. Reusability is the key to a great future in space.